Kia ora everyone, welcome back to Quinton's Quick Tip Tutorial. Today we're going to do a Facebook cover in Photopea. Cool, what up everyone? Right now we're in Photopea and let's get straight into it. Now we want to hit social, make sure we're on FB page cover, and then hit the create button. Cool, now we've got an empty canvas, we can start putting our image and our background into it. Sweet, let's do the image first. I went into my folders and grabbed one of my images from there. So to do that, we just click and drag it over to Photopea and drop it in. Now we got our image, let's go get their background. This is the background that I searched up earlier. I went to royalty free backgrounds and yeah. I'm gonna go right click, copy image, head over to Photopea and then Control V. Control V is a paste hotkey, so yeah. Let's turn off the background layer and chuck it under the image. Cool. Let's fix this image, let's knock out that background. Let's hit that object selection tool. If you don't find it, it's probably in the drop down. And now let's create a selection over our subject. Cool, now we've got that sus. We can hit that raster mask. Boom. Now that's fixed. Let's turn off the image and now stretch that background image into the whole canvas. We now grab that move tool. When you're stretching it, just remember to hold shift and it should keep the image with its right resolution. Now we've got the background sus. Let's bring back the image and move it into the right place. So select the image layer and move it into wherever you want it to be. I'm going to move it over to our left side of the wall, like so. And then I'm going to change the blending mode to color dodge probably. Yeah, I like this. Let's add some text to it. So let's go to the type tool, just simply click there. If you want to change the font, we can head up to the top left corner and you can see the previews of all the text. I like this one. Let's just do that one, test it out. If you don't like it, we can edit it later. Yeah, so I don't really like this text, so to edit it, I'll just double click on this T icon and then change the font in the top left corner again. Let's go Distant Galaxy. I like this. If you would like to add another text layer that's the same size and same font, all we got to do is Control J. To duplicate it, you can see it in our layers and then we just move it out of place. If you want to edit the text, double click on the T icon in our layers and then we can retype what we want. Cool, I want to do it one more time just for the tutorial text. I'm just going to muck around with the text, move things around, see what I like. Add some blending modes to it, just right click and go to blending options and let's do the fill, nothing, and let's go inner shadow. Just play around with the toggles and add some stroke, I guess. Let's go with black. Drop that down, push OK. I like that. I'll probably do that to all the texts. So to copy all the blending styles, we just right click and then we go to layer style and go to copy and select both text layers, right click, go to layer style again and go paste. Cool, finally. And that's our custom Facebook cover. If you want to see more, head over to our page and I'll see you there.